Welcome back students. Today we are going to practice for word problem. Let's see the first question. Question number 1. Write 5 pairs of integers. Write 5 pairs of integers a b such that a divided by b is equal to minus 3. A divided by b is equal to minus 3. Let's see. Let a is equal to, if a is equal to 6 and b is equal to minus 2. So when we will divide a divided by b, so what we get? 6 divided by minus 2 is equal to minus 3. This is the first. We have to write 5 pairs. So first pair is there 6 and minus 2. First pair is there 6 and minus 2. 6 and minus 2. Like that. Second pair you can write minus 9, 3. This is the first pair. This is the second pair. When 3 divides minus 9, it gives minus 3. Understood? Third pair you can write yourself any. Suppose that 36 divided by minus 12. So 36 divided by minus 12, it gives minus 3. So 1, 2, 3. We have to write 2 more pair. 4 minus 24, 8, like that. 15 minus 5. Understood? So these 5 pairs is as when a divided by b gives minus 3. Okay? The temperature, second question is given there. The temperature at 12 noon was 10 degrees Celsius. This is 10 degrees Celsius above 0. 10 degrees Celsius above 0. This is positive integer or negative? This is positive integer, means plus 10 degrees Celsius. If it decreases at the rate of 2 degrees Celsius, at the rate of 2 degrees Celsius per hour until midnight, at what would the temperature be? 8 degrees Celsius below 0. 8 degrees Celsius below 0 means minus 8 degrees Celsius. What would be the temperature at midnight? This is the question. So, temperature at 12 noon. Temperature at 12 noon is equal to 10 degrees Celsius. That is positive because it is given that above the 0. Okay? If it decreases at the rate of, so decreasing rate means rate of decreasing. Rate of decreasing is what is 2 degrees Celsius minus 2 degrees Celsius. Because rate is decreasing, that's why it is minus negative integer. Okay? Until midnight, at what would be the temperature? At what would be the temperature? Be minus 8 degrees Celsius below 0. So let the time at what temperature be minus 8 degrees Celsius. Why minus 8 degrees Celsius? Because it is given that below 0. Bx. Why? Any variable we can consider that there is T. Okay? So temperature at 12 noon was 10 degrees Celsius, means according to question 10 degrees Celsius plus half. Temperature decreasing rate is there 2 degrees Celsius, means minus 2 degrees Celsius multiplied by T. At T, the temperature would be minus 8 degrees Celsius is equal to minus 8 degrees Celsius. I hope it's clear. Now, minus 2 degrees Celsius into T. Transpose 10 degrees Celsius from left to right. So we get minus 8 degrees Celsius. When we transpose 10 degrees Celsius from left to right, so 10 is there, positive integer. When we transpose it became negative integer. So minus 10 degrees Celsius. Now, minus 2 degrees Celsius into T is equal to minus 8 and minus 10. is equal to minus 18 degrees Celsius. Minus minus cancel. Now T is equal to 18 degrees Celsius transpose 2 from left to right divided by 2 degrees Celsius is equal to 9. It means after 9 hours the temperature would be minus 8 degrees Celsius. So after 9 hours from 12 noon, what would be there? At 9 p.m. At 9 p.m. the temperature would be 8 degrees Celsius below zero. Understood? I hope it's clear. Now, what would be the temperature at midnight? At midnight, this temperature at 12 noon was 10 degrees Celsius above zero. So, what would be the temperature at midnight? So, let temperature at midnight. So, after 12 noon till midnight, total time is there 12 hours. What? 12 hours. So temperature at 12 noon was there 10 degrees Celsius positive plus after 12 hours at 12 midnight. So 12 multiplied by decreasing rate. Decreasing rate is there 2 degrees Celsius. So minus 2 degrees Celsius is equal to 10 degrees Celsius plus 12 to 24 means minus 24 degrees Celsius. Okay, 10 degrees Celsius plus or minus 24 degrees Celsius. Okay, when we will solve it, so we get minus 14 degree Celsius. It means the temperature at 12 at midnight. The temperature at midnight means after 12 hours is equal to minus 14 degree Celsius. Now third question, student. Third question is there. See the third question. Sir. Third question is there. An elevator descends into mine. An elevator descends into mines of at the rate of 6 meters per minute. If the descent start from 10 meters above the ground level, so how long will it take to reach minus 350? Minus 350 meter below. Okay, once more. Minus 350 meter below. So solution is there. This is ground level. Try to understand the meaning of the question. Elevator start from 10 meter above. 10 meter above plus 10 meter, and it take time to reach minus 350. Minus 3 meter. Minus 3 meter means 300. Sorry, minus 350 is given. So it means 350 meter below the ground level. They have to be reached. So according to question, speed of this speed is given there 6 meter per minute. 6 meter per minute speed is given there. Okay. Now starting from 10 meter above. This start from 10 meter above, that is positive, and going to 350 meter below. So how long it take to reach? So let it take to reach time taken is equal to t. Time taken is equal to t. We consider time taken is equal to t minus 6 meter per minute, that is the speed, into time taken t is equal to, it has to reach minus 350. So minus 350. I hope it is clear. So minus 60 is equal to minus 350. Transpose 10 meter from left to right. So it 10 meter with negative sign. So minus 60 is equal to minus 360 meter. Now t is equal to minus 360 transpose 6 from left to right divided by, so it becomes minus cancel, is equal to 60 minutes. Is equal to 60 minutes means 1 hour. 60 minutes means 1 hour. Any doubt? I hope it's clear. First you have to consider time taken by elevator to reach minus 350 meter. So according to question we get 10 meter above. It is start from 10 meter above. So 10 minus of 6 into t is equal to 350. Okay. Now solve this and we get the answer. Now next question. Last test containing 10 questions. How many questions? 10 questions. 5 marks are awarded for every correct answers and minus 2 marks are awarded for every incorrect answers and 0 marks for each question not attempted. Number 1. Ravi gets 4 correct and 6 incorrect answers. So what is his score? Solution. Students, given that 5 marks awarded for each correct answer. So marks awarded for 1 correct answer is equal to 5. That is plus 5. So how many questions Ravi correct? Ravi correct 4 questions. So marks awarded for 4 questions because Ravi attend 4 correct answers. 4 correct answer is equal to 4 into is equal to 20 marks. Now marks awarded for every incorrect answer. Marks awarded for 1 incorrect answer is equal to minus 2. And here it is given that Ravi has attempted 6 incorrect questions. Ravi has 6 incorrect questions. So marks for 6 incorrect answer. How many? 6. So is equal to 6 multiplied by minus 2 is equal to minus 12. So what is his score? So Ravi is score. Ravi is score 20 marks he got for 4 correct answers and minus 12 marks he get for 6 incorrect answers. So is equal to 20 plus of minus 12. So plus of minus 12. So 20 minus 12 is equal to 8 marks. Means Ravi score 8 marks. Ravi's score is there 8 marks. Okay. Now second one is given there. Hina gets 2 correct and 5 incorrect. Hina gets 2 correct and 5 incorrect answer. What is her score? So as you know that marks awarded for 1 correct answer is there 5 and marks awarded for 1 incorrect answer is there minus 2. Okay. So marks for 2 correct answer. How many answer is correct? 2. For 2 correct answer is equal to 2 into 5 is equal to 10. Any doubt? And marks for 5 incorrect answer. 5 incorrect answer. How many incorrect answer is there? 5. So minus 2 for 1 incorrect answer. Total question is there 5. So is equal to minus 10. Oh, what is her total score? So her total score is equal to 10 marks she got for 2 correct answer and minus 10 marks she got for 5 incorrect answer. So total score is equal to students plus of minus 10. 10 minus 10 is equal to 0. Okay.